Crypto farming, coin farming, yield farming, liquidity mining, DeFi. These are the trendy topics in crypto right now. But what is that one coin that you should be liquidity mining right now? So let's talk about one coin which I have been mining since last few days and why I choose this coin. So the coin is ZOM and the product is Zoom Protocol. So what exactly is Zoom Protocol? Zoom Protocol is, in my opinion, a better and more decentralized version of Bounce Finance. The bot token which went multiple X on listing, if you remember. Zoom has a circulating supply of 7,000 coins. Daily liquidity mining of 200 coins has been going on since last 3 to 4 days. Rewards will be halved after a couple of days. So Zoom has circulating supply of just 1% and team controls only 4% of the supply after vesting. Rest 5% goes to governance and 90% of it goes to liquidity mining. Currently Zoom has a market cap of $500,000 only, which as compared to Bounce Finance is very undervalued as Bounce Finance is currently at $8 million market cap right now. Zoom, in my opinion, has just started and this just started with their liquidity mining a couple of days back, and staking will be starting. Other than that, their product is already live with private pools, public pools, which also have two categories, fixed pool and floating pool, NFT auction place, which will be coming soon. Other than that, most of the governance is truly in the hands of people. Also, people holding certain percentage of Zoom tokens will be awarded special place in sales happening on Zoom. All this makes me believe that Zoom will reach at least 5 to 10 million market cap as soon as market recovers. So when I talk about liquidity mining of Zoom, let's see the uh, returns that I have been getting till now. So when we come to Zoom protocol and I click on mining, so I started mining Zoom with almost 12 ZOM tokens, however you pronounce it. I have already mined around 4 ZOM and plus reinvested them, and over it I, since last night, that is last 12 to 13 hours, I have uh, generated these much more tokens in my mining pool, and approx APY is going around $1,300, 1,300% right now, which is pretty decent. So also to keep in mind, the Zoom tokens liquidity mining will be halving in next couple of days. So it's better to start liquidity mining right now. Other than that, I have been hearing that Zoom protocol will be starting sales on its platform from as soon as next week. So in my opinion, it's a very good coin to start liquidity mining right now. And it's just not Frothware is a pretty decent project. Other than that, Zoom had a private sale at $60 and $90. There were two private sales, and right now the token price of Zoom is $80, which is quite good for long-term development of the project, because as we all remember, what token went skyrocketed within the first hour of its listing. So in my opinion, it's a good project to get into in the initial days. So that was it for today, guys. Please, if you like the content that I am creating, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.